Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Revolut account. If you're not familiar with Revolut, it's a mobile banking app that allows you to send and receive money, make purchases, and invest. It's a great option for people who travel a lot or who want to manage their finances from their phone. So, how do you add money to your Revolut account? There are a few different ways. Method 1, bank transfer. This is the most common way to add money to your Revolut account. To do this, you'll need to go to the Add Money section of the app. Then, select Bank Transfer. You'll be given a set of instructions on how to make a bank transfer to your Revolut account. Method 2, card. You can also add money to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card. To do this, go to the Add Money section of the app. Then, select Card. You'll be asked to enter your card details. Once you've done that, the money will be transferred to your Revolut account. Method 3, cash deposit. If you don't have a bank account or credit card, you can add money to your Revolut account using cash. To do this, you'll need to go to a Revolut Partner ATM. You can find a list of Revolut Partner ATMs on the Revolut website. Once you've found an ATM, you can insert your Revolut card and follow the instructions on the screen. Method 4, top up. You can also add money to your Revolut account using the top up feature. This allows you to transfer money from another Revolut account to your own. To do this, go to the top up section of the app. Then, enter the Revolut account number of the person you want to transfer money from. Method 5, Apple Pay or Google Pay. If you have an iPhone or Android phone, you can add money to your Revolut account using Apple Pay or Google Pay. To do this, go to the Add Money section of the app. Then, select Apple Pay or Google Pay. You'll be asked to authenticate the transaction using Face ID or Touch ID. Once you've done that, the money will be transferred to your Revolut account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.